In this video, we will learn to use sorted sets in Redis to deal with unique members with scores, using both Redis CLI commands and Python. A sorted set in Redis is a data structure that combines the uniqueness of a set with the ability to assign and sort members based on a score. Thus, the components of a sorted set include unique members and their scores. Common use cases of sorted sets include leaderboards, task scheduling, priority queues, etc. For demonstration purposes, we will start a Redis server locally with Docker, and we can access the Redis CLI in the Docker container directly with the command shown here. Besides, to access Redis in Python, we need to install the Redis library for Python with pip, and then we can create a Redis client with the default configurations. We can add a new member to a sorted set with the zadd method. We don't need to create a sorted set in advance, and it will be created automatically if it doesn't exist yet. Note that all the methods for sorted sets start with the letter Z. With Redis CLI, the key, score, and member are passed in a specific order to the zadd command, whereas in Python, the member and score are passed as the key and value in a dictionary. We can add multiple member score pairs both using Redis CLI and Python. Note that since a sorted set can only contain unique members, the zadd command will return 1 when a new member is added and 0 when a duplicate one is added. The members in a sorted set are sorted by scores in ascending order. We can get the rank of a member in a sorted set with the zRank method. Note that it's the rank of the member, not its score, assigned above. To get the score, we need to use the zScore method. The syntax is exactly the same as the zRank method. Let's cover some simpler methods before the more complex ones. To remove a member from a sorted set, use the zrem method with the Redis key and member name. We can return the number of elements in the sorted set within a score range using the zcount method. By default, the score intervals specified by min and max are inclusive. It is possible to specify an open interval, aka exclusive, by prefixing the score with the left parenthesis symbol. Note that in Python, the scores should be put in quotes if it has the left parenthesis symbol. Since the members in a sorted set are sorted by scores, we can retrieve members by rank with the zrange method. By default, only members are returned. We can return the score for each member using the with scores option. In practice, it's also quite common to retrieve members by their scores. It used to be done with the zrange by score method, which however is deprecated now and is replaced with the zrange method introduced above. To retrieve members by their scores, use the zrange method with the by score option. Similarly, by default, only members are returned. We can return the score for each member using the with scores option. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.